Hey curl queens, thanks for coming back to my channel. And as you can tell, I did knotless braids. Oh yeah, first attempt, did awesome, my opinion of course, but y'all can tell me how well I did, okay? So I'm gonna show you bits and pieces of me doing my hair because I wasn't gonna record during the whole time. It took me about 7.5 hours, and that was with my hair being pre-parted. Like half the time you don't think your hair parted right, so I had to ask my husband a few times, and then he helped me out, and then he braided some, or finished braiding. So last night I actually I washed my hair a few days ago, and I used Briogeo exfoliation shampoo, and then whatever the conditioner is called, but I'll show you that part. Anyway, so last night I sectioned my hair and did like my little parts to try to get to doing this part faster. So my hair is sectioned off and then it's twisted, and then I'm just going to try to do these knotless braids. I record a little bit here and there. I didn't charge the camera, so braided last time, but they was like, not that hair, I need this other type of hair. So I ended up keeping this one because it was only like $11 at the time. So I bought 2 packages of this one. So it's 3 times triple pack value African hair. It's 84 inches long. Like I said, this is a trial. Okay, it's 3 packages of hair in 1 pack. And I only bought it for $11. Well, 2 for $11. So, yeah. So bits and pieces I'm picking up because my husband in the room that I'm in the room doing my hair in. So he's kind of loud. So I'm trying to do this where you can't really hear him as much. So bits and pieces. But I'm gonna start on the back, and I probably won't record these, but as I get a little further up, I'm gonna record, and we're gonna start the time. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna start at 2. It's 1:47 right now. 6 o'clock, so I'm taking a break. I'm gonna eat, and he's gonna finish these 2 braids for me. Isn't he sweet? And then I continue to move forward, and then I'll record me doing it again. I still have a lot more hair left. Like, I only use one and probably a portion of the second one on my whole head. Turned out pretty cute. I'm gonna have to redo these. Or not redo one, but do it again. Or do a different style again. Thanks to my baby for helping me. Shout out to the next time. Hey y'all, hey. Alright, so I just got out of the shower. And I need to pin this up a little bit. But that's how I sleep with my braids. And my little bonnet. This tuck is super tight. I will leave this. I got this from Amazon. I'll leave that in the description. Things I would do differently. Try to keep my sizing the same because I know when I got to the crown of my head, I did bigger, and the front I did smaller. Only because I know like the front is thinner and the back is thicker, so it's bigger. But yeah, it went from medium to small, but I don't care too much. Just the next time I do it, and I will do it again because I have plenty of hair. Unless I do like someone else's hair, which I'm not trying to do. I just want y'all to know. I'm not trying to do other people's hair. Me, myself, and I. But I want to do other ones. It's like this length. Probably has to be a little longer because of my hair. It's about that length, maybe. Yeah. So that'll probably be the next one I do, which will probably be in spring. We'll see. But I'll show you how I curl my ends, and that should be good. Then I should be good and show you my updates throughout the week and how long I keep them in. That's it. They're curled. Some did not curl at all, but that's okay. I am done with my braids. yeah, I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Mimi Curly Curls. Follow me on Instagram, alright? Don't forget, like, subscribe.